Welcome to a calm beginning and a place of quiet balance. Today's affirmation invites you into wholeness. The earth and sky meet within my being. Earth and sky are often experienced as opposites. One is solid, dependable, and steady. The other is open, vast, and ever-changing. This affirmation reminds you that you do not have to choose between them. Within you, grounding and openness coexist. Your body connects you to the earth. It gives you weight, stability, and presence. Your awareness connects you to the sky. It offers perspective, imagination, and spaciousness. When these meet, you feel centered rather than pulled apart. This meeting point brings clarity. You can stay rooted without becoming rigid. You can stay open without becoming unanchored. Life feels less like a struggle between responsibilities and dreams, and more like a conversation between them. As your day unfolds, let this affirmation meet you when you feel off balance. When you feel too heavy, invite openness. When you feel scattered, return to grounding. Trust that harmony does not require perfection. It requires awareness. Here's your daily habit for today. Pause once today and feel both your grounding and your openness at the same time. Carry these companion affirmations with you. I am grounded and expansive, and balance lives naturally within me. Thank you for beginning your day with AM inspiration and choosing balance over division. May today unfold from the place where earth and sky meet within you. Win the morning, win the day.